How to increase Telegram download speed. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to increase Telegram download speed. Slow downloads on Telegram. Whether you're downloading funny memes or important documents, a sluggish download speed can be frustrating. So to increase Telegram download speed, first, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner. Head over to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Now select Storage Usage. Tap Clear Telegram Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This frees up space and can sometimes improve download speeds. Still in Settings under Data and Storage, tap on Data Usage. Select Mobile Data and scroll down to Auto Download Settings. Here you can choose what media downloads automatically when using mobile data. Set it to high if you have a good data plan. Go back to Data Usage. Repeat this process under Wi-Fi to optimize downloads on your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down to Auto Download Settings. Set it to high. Go back to Data Usage. Repeat this process under Roaming. Scroll down to Auto Download Settings. Set it to high. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your Telegram download speeds. Remember, a strong internet connection is key, and keeping your app updated helps too. And this is how to increase Telegram download speed. If you have any questions about increased Telegram download speed, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.